Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Prakash Tarot Card Reader. This is the card of the month for August 2020 for international leaders. Donald Trump, Joe Biden, Vladimir Putin, Xi Jinping, Boris Johnson, Pakistani General Bajwa, Imran Khan, KP Sharma Oli. And these three are the outcome cards. Now look at them. They indicate the outcome of a relationship between two countries. Now this is one card, this is another card, and this is another card. I will come to these at last. First, I'll start with Donald Trump. Now he will be busy in elections. He will be promoting what good work he has done and lots of promotion activity I can see. Joe Biden, and yes, he looks like he will surge ahead in opinion polls. Joe Biden, Page of Swords, he will be standing tall on the ground. He will be in a fighting mood against Trump. Vladimir Putin, again good card for him. Looks like he will be more involved in business, exports, etc. for Russia, or overall foreign policy matters. Xi Jinping, Ace of Cups, so again a good card. Now Boris Johnson, Queen of Cups, so again looks like he is having a very good month, some kind of achievement I can see. Then Imran Khan and Kamar Javed Bajwa. Now this card has again popped up for Bajwa, so it indicates that Bajwa is the only person who is controlling Pakistan right now. Imran Khan is just a puppet. So Imran Khan, nothing major. He will try as such. Nowadays we don't hear much about Imran Khan. It's only Bajwa and Bajwa. Then most important, KP Sharma Oli. Now look at this card. KP Sharma Oli, not a very good month for him. He will try to deceive his party. Something is going on. He might run away. Or he might stay put and might deceive his party members. Not a good month for him also. Either he will get deceived or he will deceive. Either of the two things may happen. So not at all a good month for him. KP Sharma Oli, Nepal's Prime Minister. Now coming to these outcome cards. Before going through these outcome cards, one sincere request: if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now this card is for USA China relationship. Now a lot has been done in the month of July, closing of consulates, and the matter got worse, but in this month of August things are going to improve. Certainly between the two countries, USA and China, things will become a lot better, lot calmer. Now India China, again this card came. So relationship will not be smooth. Okay, see lots of people fighting. So as I had told, if you'll go through the card of the month, for Indian leaders, where I had also checked for Mr. Ajit Doval. So you can see, uh, I had said whatever bad has to happen will happen in this month. So again, this card indicates that not easygoing relationship. Never trust China. Indian Army, never trust China. They might come back. Then India Pakistan relationship, again they will not, they know that they are weak, they cannot fight with India, but still they'll not listen to it, and Bajwa will try to do some or the other mischiefs certainly. So India Pakistan relationship again not so good in the month of August. And here these two, so India can expect something at the border in the north, especially Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir in the month of August. Some kind of trouble again I can see. So hope all of you like the reading. Certainly I'll try to improve again and again. So for that I will require your feedback, your honest feedback. Lots of people amongst you keep giving me the feedback, and I always try to improve. So do not forget to leave comments, feedback, new ideas for new readings, new topics, and yes, do not forget to subscribe.